got back on the move last night, I made the decision to just get out of Marseille, man. Started cracking on today, through Toulon, through Saint-Tropez, towards Cannes. I'm just here in parking. I've met this couple of friends from Germany, and they are camping in this car, mate. It's so cool. Like, it's like an old Citroen, and they've just got everything in there, but they actually make quite a cool little setup of an evening. This is Jacob.
Yes.
And Lynn, and they're from
Germany.
Yeah, whereabouts?
Wuppertal.
Rubatan. Apparently, some suspended train, right?
Huh?
Something about this. The train in the air. It's famous for this. And they are. I say we've just met in the car park here. Which place are we here? Do you know?
I think it's Agay.
Agay. We're in Agay, which is obviously south of France. And yeah, they're camping in this car. They've got all this stuff on the roof, and it's mad. And yeah, I just thought I'd introduce everyone to this beautiful couple. They're not a couple though, apparently, so it's confusing. But yeah, man, we're just here chilling. Starting to get the hang a little bit of the free diving thing, like, because obviously you have this natural inclination when you're underwater to want to breathe. So you have to go through this emotional battle with your breathing in a way, or yourself, to stay under. And then obviously the longer you stay under, the more there's that thing of like, no, go up. We're now going to check out somewhere else, like maybe go to this lake. There's like a lake like an hour away, so maybe do that. Bit of rain today, so I've just not long been up, just made some porridge. I'm now going to check out this lake. Go for it, but obviously we wanted to all three of us jump in together, but unfortunately we haven't got a fourth person like hammering, so we're going to jump in and hopefully we don't get swept along the river. Come on! Oh, let's go! Hey guys, we're back by the coast after a few days in the mountains. Just wanted to say a big thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. My dream is to travel and create these videos more frequently, and share my journey more with the world. So thanks a lot, guys, for supporting my channel and supporting my dream.